In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a PayPal pending payment quickly and easily. First, open PayPal on your computer and make sure you log into the account that sent the payment. Keep in mind that this process only works on a computer, so you won't be able to cancel pending payments from the mobile app. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and click on the Activity tab. This page shows all of your past and current transactions, including payments that are pending, completed, or unclaimed. Next, scroll through your activity list until you find the specific payment you want to cancel. It will usually be marked as pending or unclaimed, which makes it easy to spot. Once you've located it, click on that transaction to open the full details. Here, you should see a button that says Cancel Payment. Tap or click on that, and you'll be able to cancel the transfer immediately. It's very important to note that you can only cancel a pending payment if the recipient hasn't accepted it yet. If the recipient has already claimed or accepted the payment, the Cancel button will not appear, and unfortunately, there's no way to reverse the transaction through PayPal. In that case, you would need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund. Following these steps ensures you can stop a pending payment before it's completed and avoid any unwanted charges. Checking your Activity tab regularly can also help you catch any pending payments early, so you always stay in control of your PayPal transactions.